Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
In this block, we will discuss about logistic regression on Azure machine learning. I have imported the dataset Titanic. You can see our dataset look like this. The first column is dependent variable, survive, and other columns are independent variables, which are passenger, class, sex, sibling, and etc. Now we'll take this up and build the model on Azure machine learning. We will go to Azure machine learning and create a new experiment and call it as a logistic regression Titanic. Now we are good to go. Now we'll go to our saved data set and Titanic, which I have already fetched. We'll drag it to the dashboard and visualize it. Now let's go to our data set and see the class, sex, age, which was similar on our data set. Here you can see each unique value for each column as we select. This unique value we are going to perform regression. Now we'll select column in the data set. For that, we'll go to the transformation and choose column in data set. Now we will connect this with the Titanic and select all the data set from the selector and get them and save it. Now again we'll go to the data transformation and split the data in the ratio of 75 to 25%. Once we have did it, we are good to go. Once we have did this, we will initialize the model. We'll go to the machine learning, initialize model, classification. Here we will choose to class logistic regression and drag it on the canvas. Once this is done, we will train the model. We'll go to the drag train model and connect it with split data and two class logistic regression that we have created. Now we'll go to the column selector, select the survive and save it. In this model, setting for our model is done. Now we will select a score model and connect it with split data, and now the data set that we are trying to see is survive. Now we'll select the model, which is evaluate the model, and run the complete model that we have created. Our model is being processed and we can see now this has been queued over the server. Once each step is done, it will form a tick mark. You can see that our complete logistic regression is created and everything is marked as a green. Now we'll try to score this data set. We can see that it has been scored. At the end, what we have evaluated the data set. Now you can see this is the evaluated result. Here you can see result with a here you can see it is the evaluated result what we have visualized it. Here you can see the graph which is being presented. Now we'll scroll it down and show you what is the threshold point of this. To know this, you should have a very clear understanding of the logistic regression. Here you can see the result where threshold for 0.5% is 85%. Now when model is ready, now we can control this by dragging it and see by changing the number and predicting it. This is the accuracy what we have got. Below you can see the negative prediction, positive prediction of the thing. This shows the scored decision which is based upon the train model. Now using this data, model will train itself every time and give you the accurate result. Now once we have derived this, we will publish the model on the web services. You can use this. After publishing it over the web services, you can use it to make a predictive analysis. I hope this was an helpful session on building logistic regression. Thank you.